Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. Back at Disneyland. I am Katie Less. I don't have Katie with me. That's what I'm trying to say. Solo Spence today. That's okay. It's evening time. It's kind of an update in the evening, like an update night. No, that would mean it's like a date night. Here comes the train coming into the station. So we got to get moving for that reason. And I hear there's stuff going on in Toontown. I hear something may have finally arrived in Toontown. That's where the focus is for this first part of this video. Let's see what's going on. And it's Monday, March 25th, if you're wondering. A lot of people always ask, when did you shoot this video? Monday, March 25th. It's been raining a lot, so we're getting a lot of good growth on the flowers. As we look down Main Street, USA, last light of the day. We got a good hour left, I believe. It is currently 6:42 according to Disneyland Standard Time. There's the old clock. But it's getting a little dark already because it's cloudy. But I love that it's staying light later. I'm such a fan. Oh man, it's happy days when it's like that. I'll tell you what. Ah, the street lamps are lit. Cozy already. Wow, look at these blooms. Vibrant. Want to figure out what those are. We need those in our garden. Katie, whatever that is. All right, we're getting blooms with partners finally. Look at this. Perfect background for the partners. All right, we got to go check out the castle because this lighting's pretty cool. Oh look, did you guys notice? This one is starting to bloom on this side. Pretty soon, this whole park will be surrounded by the blooms of the jacaranda, I believe, right? I think that's right. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I'm taking the long way to Toontown. Figure maybe cut through the castle while we still can. See what the crowd looks like in Fantasyland. All right, Sleeping Beauty's castle. Perfect time to get these shots because it's like twilight, golden hour, some would say. All right, let's check the vibe in here. It's so weird coming by Peter Pan and seeing it closed down this time of day. Very odd. Maybe they're gonna reopen soon. I see people waiting around behind me, so maybe, dude, this could be the reopen hack right here. It could score, you never know. All right, let's see if she's watching us. Oh, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy. Yeah, we're waiting. We're waiting for it to open up. Your ride's crowded. As the evil queen just kind of mocks me, guess what? Guess what, evil queen? Dylan showed up. So She has nothing to say.
No, nothing to say to you.
Anyways, we were told to kind of vacate the area.
Yeah.
Even though I was just filming the queen, I wasn't really waiting for Peter Pan. Yeah, I was. I'll be honest.
When you see that there's no line and they're like cleaning it up or they're doing something, you gotta like wait around because you never know when it's gonna go.
Exactly, but you gotta kind of be stealth because you don't want to bother the cast members, and because they can't allow you to kind of gather. That's their job.
Yeah.
So, anyways, let's wander this way and see what's going on. Maybe Mr. Toad's. Let's see, his traffic's not too bad. I don't know. All right, here's the situation. Here's what's going on. Something's going on at Peter Pan, so they're not going to open anytime soon. I was wrong about my estimate of it. Oh, it's going to open. So we're moving on and going to head to Toontown to see what has developed. Dylan, breaking news, no one's in the teacups. What?
Oh, dang.
What is going on?
What's happening?
Anyways, we'll get back to that development. We got to continue to Toontown. This is insane, though.
It must still be boiling water.
It's steeping. Isn't that the word?
Yeah,
it's steeping. Yeah, Balloonarama. It's a small world after all. It really is. Katie, this is for you. She couldn't be here, obviously, so I got to throw in a shot. And it's that nice time of day, too. The lights are going to come on pretty soon. Also, it's a good time. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. You know. Cool. All right, we're heading into Toontown. We made it to Toontown. Oh, boy. What's it going to sound like here? Kind of got off easy with the sound effects. Sometimes it's like wow, wow, wow. It's like when Dylan goes into Galaxy's Edge, there's sound effects that happen similar to that. All right, Dylan just spotted the best lighting. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring you sunset from Toontown. Look at this. With the fountain. Wow. That's pretty cool. Hey, don't discount that alpenglow over there on Matterhorn. Look at that. We see you, Matterhorn. We see you. Yeah, this is a stunning sunset, you guys. My goodness, it's just getting better. You can see the spires over there in Galaxy's Edge, Black Spire Outpost. As we venture further into the sunset here at Toontown. on this Monday, March 25th. Oh, would you look at that with the sunset and the coaster. Man, gadgets going by. All right, the Miss Daisy. I love that they added this stuff. But the thing we came to see is this. Donald's Duck Pond splash pad they got going. It's so cool to have a splash pad back in Disney. But one of the coolest parts is that they have projections to make it look like water. And then obviously it looks like the water's getting deeper as the colors get darker. It's spouting out of the boat and the ground. And it seems like, oh wow, uh-oh, I better watch out. Oh no, that was just a drain. I'm like, this thing's about to go here and gonna get me, watch. I gotta be careful. There's Miss Daisy. I imagine when it's summertime and it's blazing hot, it gets extra hot in Toontown. This will be a very popular thing. Kids will be just laying there by the, I might be laying there, you just never know. Ah, the lighting of the dreaming trees, pretty cool. I like it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but they got cricket sounds in here now. Probably only at this hour when it's getting dusk, right? That's awesome. See, Dylan knows. Dylan is trained in the arts of...
you gotta turn it on quick.
Yeah. You're the improv, yes and.
Yeah, you gotta just go right into it.
Exactly. Okay, sunset over Fantasyland. It has turned into cotton candy, appropriately. Amazing. I love the old pine trees over there by the Skyway, or the old Skyway station. What's up, Monorail? Sunset cruise. Those are always good when you can time that, you know. All right, welcome to your Fantasyland Sunset Cruise. I'll be your captain. We'd like to remind you to keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs on board. Watch out for Monstro. I'd say he doesn't bite, but I mean, you know, come on. Big Thunder Trail. Got a little leftover sunset. It's turned into kind of a western sunset now. Looking at the hoodoos here at Big Thunder. Uh-oh. It's a runaway! All right, Dylan is cutting the trail here. We're deep in Frontierland. He's doing a good job making it through. Look at that move. That was a nice lateral move he just made. Making our way down Main Street. We're going to DCA. Hello, Penny Arcade. It's Crow Hour also there. They're all gathering, trying to find their spot for the night. Ah, the gates of DCA, Pan Pacific Theater. I've been thinking about that theater a lot lately. I was there the day it burned down. I was working at CBS, and on the way home it was just ash. It was terrible. Mecca of graffiti back in the day too. So Pan Pacific means a lot to me for a lot of reasons. Came right over to Oswald's because look at how cool this plush is. I love that his ears flopped back and he's like, I like the material. That's awesome. Hey Dylan, in my day, when you park your car like that, you get a ticket so expensive you can't pay your rent.
Yeah, I think the ticket was 25 cents.
Ooh, we've arrived. Some would say we've arrived in Hollywood, and this is when Dylan and I break out into our old-timey voices.
That's right, because this is supposed to be 1930s, or at least I think that's what they were trying to go for here.
That's the gist that we get. We've arrived yet again at the Hyperion Theater, the Roosevelt Hotel. Right here, your dreams can come true. You know what's wild is that sunset is still burning just over the hill there towards Brentwood. Avengers Campus, and we're over here by the vehicle, and this fence has sprung up. I don't know what it is, but it's interesting nonetheless. What could be coming to Avengers Campus? I don't know. I don't follow closely enough. If you guys know, if you heard anything, let us know. All right, we're checking out the selfie lights over here in Avengers. I don't know if you guys know, they have a couple. Dylan's up at that one. I'm using this one. If you see, you know, social media people over here using these, you'll know why, because the lighting is amazing. I mean, look at this. I think Katie would be stoked on this. It's like a light bar as opposed to a ring, but pretty nice. So yeah, selfie lights. Pretty cool that they have these here. I didn't realize that was a thing. Oh, they've got them on the other side too. You know, this one's even better because you got the bounce off the wall. So this one I think is optimum. Yeah, I think the right side is the bright side. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived in Cars Land. Oh yeah. Hello, Cadillac Ridge. Oh yeah, Flows. Flows, you know, I never noticed that the actual building is like an air filter. I kind of forgot about that element of it. It's just, everything is car parts and it's just genius. All right, Ramones, we're gonna head over to the wharf. Goodbye to the neon of Cars Land. I found more selfie lights, look at this. It's Flows. Another selfie light, really cool. Yeah, because I always see people taking pictures down there. You can see the flashing when the light is really good right here. See, these people get it. They're gonna get a great shot. That's my tip for shooting over here, because this background is amazing, and it's just, you have to be at least as much lit as the background for you to expose, so good spot right there. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the World of Color Food and Wine Aerial Traffic Jam 2024. Dylan, I welcome you to the Parade of Umbrellas here at Disneyland.
It's not just a parade of umbrellas, it's the wonderful world of color umbrellas.
That's what it is. The wonderful world of color umbrellas. I don't think I've ever noticed jumping jellyfish stand out so much like that. It looks great. It's like kelp and seaweed kind of thing. That's rad. That's for you, Katie. Her favorite ride over here at DCA. Hey, look at the Pixar Pier Hotel in the background with its lights. That's pretty neat. All right, we wandered into the beer garden. Dylan's thinking about it. Okay, so we indulged. This is an IPA. It's called The Perfect Day. I haven't tried it yet, but Dylan.
I got the peaches and cream beer. I don't know what kind of beer it is, but I just saw peaches and cream. I'm like, I gotta try it.
Cheers, Dylan. All right, we're gonna watch him try it, and you're gonna have to go to his channel to get his review. Oh, IPA. Hey. Ooh, I think it's a 7.1 or 2 on the alcohol. And it's got that nice IPA bite, but not too bad. You know, some of the IPAs kind of linger a little bit. This is a nice, oh, really nice. Oh, Goofy Sky School going off right there. Cheers, Goofy. All right, we're strolling. Beers in hand. Do you know the way to San Jose, Dylan?
I'm not sure. Why not?
I think that's what's playing. She keeps asking.
Well, I think it's this way.
Okay, let's go this way.
Yeah.
World of Color is about to kick off. Passing my aerials. It's they're doing some queue work still. The ride's open. Don't fret. You can still go in under the sea. They're just working on the queue. See, look, part of our world. Swim down to our entry down there. Passing by the obelisk. We're gonna step into Five and Dime. It's also a band that plays out there in the little hub. Looking for new stuff. This is not new. Uh-oh, we've got a new zip down. Look at this. Uh-oh, Katie. Check out the back. Whoa. And I'm not mad at this either. I like the silkscreen, the different sizes. Really cool. And then here we go with the, there's the sweatshirt, Katie. Oh man. And then the sweatshirt version of that print. Also really cool. Okay, check out this long sleeve. Another nice t-shirt, just basic. I like the new colored 3D. Oh, of course they have it in black. Oh man, that's so good. And I'm trying not to buy any merch right now. Sweatshirt, and then a couple of bucket hats. They got this one, and they got this one too. And then these are back in stock, the turquoise, the dark blue, Spirit zip down, and then gray and black in Spirit zip down. They are stocking because people love these. Hey, kind of digging this Tiana beanie. Look at that. Really neat. I like those kind with that type of knit, or it's kind of the bigger scale. Here's a Tiana Spirit jersey, tie-dye version. I don't know if I dig that. This is pretty good. Different languages of mine. Dude, they got the straws back. Man, these are probably the last of them. Check out the food and wine merch. They actually have shirts for the booths like Peppers Caliente, bringing the heat. That's a good idea, I guess, because it goes along with this, the Magic Key t-shirt that I thought was pretty brilliant. All right, I came back over to the selfie light to do my closing. Hope you enjoyed it. For Katie and myself, we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.